Welcome back to my channel. I'm Donna Lois, and today we have a new recipe for you. Love the rich, slow-cooked flavors of a Moroccan tagine but short on time? This chicken and butternut squash. Tagine tastes like it's been simmering for hours, thanks to a simple trick that involves roasting your veggies. Here are the ingredients. 4 cups low-sodium chicken or vegetable broth, divided, 1 cup whole wheat couscous, 1/4 cup organic golden raisins or sultana raisins, 4 Roma tomatoes, each cored and cut into 8 wedges, 1 yellow onion, peeled and cut into 8 wedges, 3 large cloves garlic peeled, 3 tablespoons olive oil divided, 1 1/4 pounds boneless, skinless chicken thighs cut into bite-sized pieces, 1/2 teaspoon sea salt, 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper, 1 large carrot chopped, 1 stalk celery sliced, 1 teaspoon each ground cumin, ground ginger, ground turmeric, and smoked paprika. 1 15-ounce BPA-free can unsalted chickpeas, drained and rinsed, 2 cups peeled, seeded, and diced butternut squash, 1 each cinnamon stick and bay leaf, 1/4 cup chopped fresh cilantro, divided. Preparation 1. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In a medium saucepan, bring broth to a boil. To a heat-proof bowl, add couscous and raisins. Pour 2 1/2 cups broth over top. Cover tightly with foil or plastic wrap and set aside. Set remaining broth aside. Arrange tomatoes, onion, and garlic on a large parchment-lined baking sheet. Drizzle 1 tablespoon of oil over the top and give it a good toss. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes until everything is softened and just beginning to turn golden brown. Then, transfer the mixture to a blender along with the remaining 1 1/2 cups of broth. Don't forget to remove the garlic peel. Blend until smooth. Season the chicken with salt and pepper. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a large, deep skillet or sauté pan over medium-high heat. Add the chicken and sauté, stirring often until it turns golden brown, which should take about 6 minutes. Once done, transfer the chicken to a plate and set it aside. In the same skillet, heat the remaining 1 tablespoon oil on medium-high. Add carrot and celery and sauté until beginning to soften, about 4 minutes. Add cumin, ginger, turmeric, and paprika and sauté until fragrant, about 30 seconds. Return chicken and any juices to skillet. Stir in chickpeas, squash, cinnamon stick, bay leaf, and blended tomato mixture and bring to a simmer. Reduce heat to low, cover, and simmer gently, stirring occasionally until squash is tender about 15 minutes. Discard cinnamon stick and bay leaf. Stir 2 tablespoons cilantro into the couscous mixture and divide among 4 plates. Top with chicken mixture and sprinkle servings with remaining 2 tablespoons cilantro. If you like the recipe, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.